Hello, hello, hello. Today is June 30, 2021. It's 8:15 in the evening. We have a major thunderstorm here. It's pouring. Lightning. More lightning. Beautiful. Calm me down a little. Wow. Okay, so this lightning was about 3 kilometers from here, because it took 9 seconds. Another flash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. Yeah, light travels 340 meters, not light, sound travels 340 meters per second roughly. So 9 seconds is about 3 kilometers. So we're still safe. Yeah, we need water. I also don't have to water the garden tomorrow morning, which always takes me about an hour. Yeah. You see the pond there. And you see also reflection in the window of what is behind me in the living room. Okay, I think we've had the worst. In fact, I started this video already after the worst. So I thought you might enjoy it, to be with me here in Coventry, Connecticut, during a quite major thunderstorm.